nature's elements. Water, blistering heat, driving wind, and freezing cold have teamed up over time to wreak havoc on the works of mankind, turning great structures and systems into rust and constantly eroding the vessels and machines with which we move about the planet. Protecting equipment, vehicles, and materials from these forces has become a global industry, championed by a company with more than 70 years' experience mastering the elements. Ncp Coatings began in 1944 when a young paint salesman from Grand Rapids, Michigan, set out on his own and started a company that would become a major supplier in the coatings industry. Marvin Hanowick's company was incorporated in 1948 in Niles, Michigan. The first customer was Studebaker in South Bend, Indiana.
I remember the main thing was the first color he got with Studebaker was the red wheel enamel. And back in the late 40s, every Studebaker built, every automobile, had red wheels. And that was his first big volume account with Studebaker. That really is when we got involved in the military, because Studebaker built military trucks during the war and after the war.
As military technology has expanded over the years, so has the need for paints and coatings to handle progressively more rigorous environmental and performance demands.
Our Siloxagrip polysiloxane non-skid coating is an example of a coating that we developed jointly with Naval Research Labs for a specific need the U.S. Navy had to increase the longevity of non-skid coatings on their ships.
Through working to formulate coatings that meet or exceed the rigorous Army, Navy, and Marine applications, Ncp has built a team of exceedingly talented and dedicated people focused on serving the precise needs of their customers. Ncp can customize and develop coatings to meet specific performance and application demands of its commercial customers such as Pratt Industries.
Pratt Industries serves multiple markets. We provide products to the Department of Defense, to the mining industry, the construction industry, the utility industries, the rental markets, and we have a huge number of specialty markets that we serve as well. So one of the largest problems with coatings in our industry is corrosion resistance and adhesion. Products that'll meet 150 degrees in Saudi Arabia to minus 80 degrees in northern Canada. We've been working closely with Ncp to come up with some solutions to protect our trailers from these extreme conditions. They don't just drop off a can of paint and say put it on there. You know, we actually work together to use the product the best way it can be used to provide the maximum protection and longevity of the product.
In recent years, Ncp Research has developed a remarkable product line for worldwide foresting industries. Bark-mark paints from Ncp are the most durable on the market, leaving highly visible indications as boundary marking on soft and hardwood stands. These markings are resistant to temperature and weather extremes, are virtually non-duplicable. Ncp Coatings has grown to a global organization because every Ncp product is painstakingly formulated, validated through testing, produced to the highest protocols, and continually evaluated throughout its service life, all to guarantee maximum performance, effectiveness, and efficiency. And it's getting better. Ncp is now in its third generation of family ownership and continues to achieve tremendous success through the commitment of its people and a philosophy of excellence.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'd like to share with you some of the words of Jeff Cullen, Director of Manufacturing for Eagle Crusher. Your team has been great to work with, and we look forward to a long relationship. Eagle Crusher recently switched to Ncp from one of the largest paint manufacturers in the world. It's a great feeling for us when customers recognize the value that we offer. We would embrace the opportunity to offer you that same value.
The company's legacy of success will keep Ncp at the forefront of coating innovation for years to come.